Welcome. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Bathroom Remodeling Industry Report, a strategic briefing for the year ahead. The market is massive, with projected revenue reaching $228 billion, driven by a resilient demand for repairs and remodeling. While growth is steady, it's shifting toward pro-led work, which is significantly outpacing the DIY sector. The key premise for 2026: this is no longer a volume at any cost market. It is a market built on trust and execution. Demand remains strong. 91% of homeowners with planned projects say they will still move forward this year, and they aren't doing it alone. 84% of bathroom renovators are hiring professionals for their projects. Budgets are significant. Median spend ranges from $6,000 for guest baths up to $13,000 for primary remodels. For major primary bathroom reconfigurations, we see budgets climbing to $22,000 and beyond. The strongest driver today is demographic, not stylistic. Accessibility has moved to the center of the category. With the median U.S. housing stock reaching 44 years, older homeowners now dominate improvement spending. In fact, 68% of renovators are factoring special needs into their project planning for 2026. The most requested features include grab bars, non-slip flooring, and low curb or curbless showers. Beyond safety, wellness is a priority. Homeowners want bathrooms that are both safer and more restorative. While intent is strong, consumer patience is limited. They are becoming more demanding of their pros. Over 40% of homeowners cite a desire for clearer timelines and better communication during the process. 1 in 5 struggles to visualize the end result, making digital previews a vital tool for closing deals. Savings remain the dominant funding source, as credit card use for these major projects has declined. Contractors themselves are cautiously optimistic, despite facing persistent cost and labor pressures. Material inflation is a reality, with 69% of firms expecting further cost increases this year. Labor shortages also persist, making crew efficiency a core competitive advantage for successful firms. To win in this environment, remodelers should follow a clear 2026 operating playbook. First, sell trust before price. Lead with reviews, proof, and your specific bathroom expertise. Second, build a visible accessibility offer. Don't treat it as a side service. Package it clearly. Third, use a good, better, best scope ladder to provide budget clarity and reduce conversion friction. Fourth, shorten the path from inquiry to confidence with faster follow-ups and better visualization. Fifth, protect your margins by standardizing options and pre-selecting reliable suppliers. Finally, prioritize high-intent discovery channels where homeowners are actively researching estimates. 2026 is the year to improve discoverability. Position your firm as a trusted specialist to win the market.